Going to show you 3 ways how you can restart your Roku Premiere or Premiere Plus. Okay, the first 2 ways we have to use a remote. The third way is we can use a button on the the Roku Premiere device itself. Okay, so first way, grab your remote, go to your home screen here. You want to go all the way down to settings, move over to the right. Now you want to go all the way down to system, right here. Now move over to the right. Now go ahead and move down. And system restart. Move over here, click on OK on your remote, and it's going to restart. Now, a second way to restart is we can use a special key combination on the remote. You typically want to do this if you can't, maybe your screen is frozen and you're not able to restart the traditional way. So here's an option here, okay? So the combination is home keys here, okay? Home key 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up once, rewind twice, fast forward twice. We'll do it together. Home button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up once, rewind twice, fast forward twice, and it's going to act kind of funny. The TV, basically sit on the screen for about 15 seconds, and it's going to go ahead and automatically restart. Okay, it's booting back up. Okay, now the third way. Let me grab my other one here. But if you look on the back here, you see a little button that says reset. Okay, now only thing you got to do is get like a pen or like a small needle, just press it in and press it out really fast. You don't want to press and hold, because you press and hold, you're going to factory reset it. You just want to press in and let go. We'll do it together here, okay? So I'll do the one that's plugged in. So here's the reset button right here, the hole right there. So I'll just press it in once, and you can see the TV right here. We'll go ahead and let it boot back up. And there you go, pretty simple. Questions, issues, comment below.